On my Add Pages to Squarespace video, Piggy Pig Pig 1746, and yes, I'm answering this question because I wanted to say that username, asked, can you show us how to add pages starting from scratch? You seem to start the video with lots of pages. Great question. So I typically do start off Squarespace websites with a template, either a template I've created as a designer or a Squarespace template. And because of that, there are pages that are already built. And in the other video, I'll link it below. I show you how to create new pages using those as a guideline. Lots of different ways to do that without starting from scratch. But for some reason, if you do want to start from scratch, yes, let me show you how to do that. All right, I've just logged into Squarespace. I've logged into my website. I'm on this weird home panel. I'm actually going to go into website and then into pages. Now, you can see, like I mentioned, this is a template. It's called Bloom and it has a lot of pages for you already. But if you want to start from scratch, you absolutely can. Now, the way you would do this is to click one of these plus signs. There are a few here, and let me explain why there are different ones. If you click plus here, you're going to be adding a page to your main navigation right up here in the top. So if you want to add a page here, we've already got About, Programs, Press, and Contact. If you wanted to add a page here, you absolutely could. You would click this plus sign and it would add it there and be live when you hit save. Now, if you don't want your page to appear here for now or ever, you can actually hit the plus icon under not linked, build there, and then decide if you want to put it in the main navigation. If you do, when it's done, you just drag it up there and put it in the right order. This particular template has member sites. Now, if you are doing that, you're a little more advanced. So I'm going to ignore that for now. We're just going to ignore that one. And we're going to start with not linked. So again, I'm just going to hit the plus icon and we're going to start from scratch here. You can obviously choose one of these not from scratch page layouts. There are a lot here that you can choose from, and it designs the page for you. But if you truly want to start from scratch, you're going to hit add blank and page. Now, when I go into that page, there is nothing there. It is absolutely blank. When I click edit, I am starting from scratch and I'm going to start by adding a new section. Now here we can add sections. So you can see there are some sections designed for us, or if you want to start from scratch again, add blank and you've got a blank section here to start with. So if you want to start from absolute scratch, this is how to do it. Now, a caveat for you, if you are not a web designer, I would try to make your life easier and start by duplicating an existing page. So just like I showed in the other video, I'll drop a link below. Start with some of the pre-designed options that you're given here, just to give you a starting point. That can make your life a little easier. But if you do want to start from absolute scratch, you can, and that's how you do it. Now, again, once you're done with this page, you can go into page settings. You can give it a page title, a navigation title, and a new URL slug. So let's say we're going to call this bridge, and it's all going to be all about how you host bridge night. And got bridge, bridge, bridge. And if you do want to put this in your main navigation, you'll just click and drag it up into the main navigation, arrange it there, or you can leave it in not linked and link to it from your footer or from another page. I hope this helps. Piggy, Piggy, Pig 1746. Love that handle. Now, if you don't already have my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, I'll drop a link below. You can grab that. It walks you through everything you need to know when you are getting ready to launch a Squarespace website, and make sure that all of your T's are crossed and I's are dotted. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.